Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing both Life P2 earbuds in the charging case and making sure the case has power. Once done, close and open the lid to wake them. Next, make sure Bluetooth on your phone is off or forget the device in settings, so no automatic reconnection interferes. Now press and hold both earbuds' physical buttons at the same time for about 10 seconds. Hold until you see the LEDs flash red and white, then release to initiate the reset. Once the reset finishes, take the earbuds out of the case and watch for alternating LED flashes that signal pairing mode. Next, turn Bluetooth back on your phone and make sure you delete any existing Soundcore Life P2 entry so the device won't try to reconnect with old settings. Then scan for devices and choose Soundcore Life P2. Allow the pairing prompt and confirm the connection. After connecting, you should hear a voice prompt or see both earbuds listed. You finish by playing a stereo test or music to verify left and right channels work and that both buds play in sync. Make sure volume is up on your device. If one earbud remains silent, recharge both for 10 to 15 minutes, place them back in the case, and perform the reset again to re-establish pairing. If problems persist, open the Soundcore app to check for firmware updates and run the device update. That often resolves lingering sync or audio issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.